Ever feel like your 9 to 5 is just a means to fund your dreams, but those dreams are buried under a mountain of emails and TPS reports? Well, buckle up, because we're diving into the wild, wonderful world of side hustles, where your passion isn't just a hobby, it's your ticket to financial freedom. First off, let's talk gold mines, popular side hustle ideas that are raking in the cash. Ever thought about selling your photography on stock sites? Each snap you've taken of your cat could be minting you money while you sleep. Or maybe you've got a knack for design or freelance graphic work could turn your doodles into dollars. And don't overlook the digital nomad's dream, teaching English online. With just your laptop and some patience, you can transform your language skills into a steady stream of income. But how do you turn these passions into profit? Here's the secret sauce: monetization. If you're into photography, leverage platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. For design, dive into marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork. Teaching? Platforms like VipKid or Cambly are your go-to. Each of these avenues not only pays but can also build your portfolio, making you more attractive for bigger gigs. Now, let's tackle the beast that is time management. You've got a day job, maybe a family, and now you want to squeeze in a side hustle? Sounds like a recipe for burnout. But fear not. The key is to treat your side hustle like a mini business. Schedule it. Even if it's just an hour a night after the kids are in bed or a couple of hours on Saturday morning. Use tools like Google Calendar or Trello to keep your tasks organized. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Small, regular steps will get you further than sporadic bursts of effort. Legal stuff. Yeah, it's not the sexiest topic, but it's crucial. You don't want Uncle Sam knocking on your door because you didn't report your side gig income. Depending on your hustle, you might need to register as a business, look into copyrights, or even get a business license. And taxes? They're inevitable, so keep meticulous records. Apps like QuickBooks Self-Employed can be a lifesaver here. Scaling your side hustle is where the fun begins. You've got your rhythm. Now, how do you turn that into a symphony? Automation is your friend. Use tools like Buffer for social media scheduling or Zapier to connect different apps and streamline your work. And don't forget about outsourcing. That design project you're swamped with? There's someone out there who can do it for you while you focus on the big picture. But here's where you need to be smart. Not all side hustles are created equal, and scaling isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Identify what parts of your hustle can be automated or delegated. Perhaps you can teach a course on your skill set, turning one-on-one work into scalable online content. Or, if you're in crafts, consider dropshipping to handle logistics without the headache. Remember, the side hustle game isn't just about making extra bucks. It's about crafting a life where your work aligns with your passion. It's about freedom, creativity, and yes, a bit of that financial cushion to take risks on your terms. So, whether you're snapping photos, crafting digital art, or teaching the world your language, remember, your side hustle is your canvas, your business, your adventure. It's time to paint with profit, manage your time like a pro, navigate the legal landscape, and scale your dreams into reality.